Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the last video, we created this welcome screen. As you can see on the mobile screen also, we have this is welcome screen, and here is one logo and two buttons, one for login, one for register. So in this video, we are going to create a sign up screen, I mean registered screen. When any user will click on this button, so it will go to the registration page, registration screen. So to create a registration screen, I mean sign up screens, what we have to do, first of all, come here in the lib folder and right click on it and new and make one folder here, not file, folder. Directory means folder. So click here and give this folder name sign up. The first letter is capital, sign up folder. Enter. Now you can see here, now sign up folder inside this lib folder. Right click on sign up folder, new, and now create dart file and give name is sign up screen. Now sign up screen has been created, and let's import material.dart and stateful visit and give name sign up screen. Now first of all, we need to declare some variables, so let's declare here before this override this one. So right here final pick URL equal, let's leave it empty, and then file image and leave it like this, and here we need final picker equal to image picker and it's showing error because we did not import here. So click on it here and you will see this red bull. Click here and import library. Now you can see error has given it, we have imported all this here, you can see. And you know guys, you remember this image picker is working because we added dependency in PubSpec here. You can see this image picker, so this dependency is used for this, which we are working on it, this one. So now after this here, and you can see here is one error also, so because it's automatically here import this, delete this and import .io. And here we have to just write a question mark is null safety like this, so it's has been removed. So let's create some more variable for the text field. So final text editing controller underscore name controller equal to text editing controller, and here just copy this for saving time. Copy this and paste 2-3 times, sorry, and change this here, change this email controller, password controller, and phone controller. Now we have created all these things here. So to pick image from the phone gallery, we need to create a function, and it's very easy, it's not a big thing. So let's create the function so that we can access our phone gallery. So for that, come here and give the name function choose image, and it's a async type, and open bracket. Now here write final, picked file, picked file like this, picked file, await, and awaits coming because we make this async here, so await, picker dot pick image, and source will be image source dot gallery, and semicolon. Then file is equal to file is equal to picked file dot path and it's saying here some error. Let's see what's the error. Sorry, we forget, cut it here like this. Write file and picked file dot path and then semicolon, and it's showing error. Just click on it and you will see this is a red bulb, and click on it, add a null check here like this. And now after this, set state, and inside the set states let's write underscore image, our variable, and is equal to file, equal to this one file, the small letters file. Now our function is ready. This is our function, and you can say this like this. It's a small function, you can see, very easy. So this is our function for choosing image from the phone gallery. So now let's design our registration page here. So here let's design this here like decoration, box decoration, colors dot gray, and it will be little dark, 500. Let's run the applications and see the screen how it's looking here. And you can see this is the screen of this. So on this screen we will create text field where the inputs field will be display, so that user can fill its detail like his or her detail, email, password, phone, etc. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.